Dan Deming of KKM Financial joins us now for the Trader Rundown. And Dan, this could be an interesting week.
Very interesting, Angie. We saw quite a shift in volatility expectations last week, and again, there's some uncertainty now as what's going to take place here moving forward. So you're seeing some anxiety in the marketplace.
Technically, what's going on with this market?
Yeah, technically, you are starting to see some concerns, and the technicians have pointed this out over the course of the last couple of days. So you're seeing some of these major averages now breaking their 50-day moving averages. So you're seeing momentum shifts. And I mean, really, the more critical point is when you look at the smaller caps relative to the larger caps. Larger caps like the Dow have held up there pretty well, still well above its 50-day moving average when you look at the Dow Industrials. Small caps like the Russell, though, you're seeing that actually break down to its 200-day moving average. So you're seeing a disparity in strength across the market.
Last week, we did see some highly unusual put trading going on in the Russell. What does that say to you?
Well, again, you're seeing that area has been the weakest performer leading into this dislocation. So I think that's part of the reason why you're seeing a pickup in put activity. Again, hedging out some potential downside exposure.
Are we headed for more big swings in the stock market, do you think?
It feels that there's a little bit of a reset here, Angie, leading into this week. And I think as long as this anxiety persists, and now there's no question, we've gone from DEFCON, let's say 4 to DEFCON 3. I mean, I don't think we're at 1 yet, but the market is now on higher alert because this type of activity, this chatter that's going back and forth is now becoming much more real in its tone. And prior, I think the market was discounting it because we've seen this in the past. But no, I don't think the market's going to discount this in the future, so I would expect that will keep volatility expectations heightened.
How critical is it to this market for Walmart to come in with positive earnings this week?
Well, I think you've got a lot of you got some retailers, Home Depot as well, coming in, and I think it is critical because anything that can help kind of stabilize the sentiment in the market. You're seeing a sentiment shift. You're seeing anxiety creeping back into the marketplace. So I think the focus will kind of be on some of those bigger names, especially in the retail sector, which has struggled as well. So I think it's very critical. A lot of market participants will be watching Walmart and Home Depot this week.
We will be watching too. Thank you, Dan.
Thanks for having me, Angie.